Hello and congratulations on being close to the close of week 1 of AC1520 Managerial Accounting and Decision Making. Week 1 where we have talked about Chapter 21, covering Cost Volume Profit Analysis, a tool in managerial accounting. The primary focus of that tool being the breaking out of costs by behavior between variable costs and fixed costs. Very useful tool for decision making, for planning, for budgeting. Very different from financial accounting when we're making the financial statements, at which time we're grouping costs not by behavior, but by group in terms of what they're used for inventory, for selling and administrative. For example, the breaking out by behavior allows us to make projections a lot more easily. We touched on Chapter 22, Master Budget. We will continue on that next week as well. Remember, everything from the discussion forums on down, that's what we need to get done. Discussion forums worth 21% of the grade. Make sure to get as close to full credit as possible on the discussion forums. That's I want to get everybody to pick up 100% of that 21% if at all possible. I know that we do not have a lot of people here, so hopefully I will post a lot of information. There should be a lot of room to get the minimum of 4 posts given the amount of material that we will be covering. We then have the assignments, homework, and the quiz. Make sure to take the quiz by Sunday. We cannot generally make up the quiz unless there's an unusual circumstance. Therefore, if you run into a time constraint, make sure to take the quiz by Sunday. Don't get a 0 on the quiz. Then go back and pick up the assignments and the homework for late work if you have to, knowing that you could lose points for late work. Remember that everything will be graded everything is due by Sunday. I have until Wednesday to enter the grades. We're going to try to get the grades in there and completed by Tuesday around noon. Therefore, Tuesday around noon, that's when you want to check the grade book. Next week, we're going to continue on to the master budgets. That's usually some area where a lot of students relate to the budgeting process well, because budgeting is planning, and planning is a crucial part of any business and personal financial plan. We're going to be focusing on the planning of one of the more difficult types of businesses, being a manufacturing business, because they got to plan for how much they're going to produce, how much material to buy, and how much labor they're going to need. That's going to be some complex stuff within there. However, the idea of the plan, of course, will apply to any business and any individual plan in terms of a financial plan being part of the overarching picture to reach the financial goals and overall goals of the business. So that's going to be it. So congratulations on being close to close of week 2.